Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. And what do we have going on here? My man is using the world's largest paddleboard. And we've got another vessel coming right at him, so hopefully these guys acknowledge the situation and know we just need to go wide of this crew. And they do, but my man's got a battle coming here. Once again, guys, welcome back. Miami Boat Ramps at its finest. Today we are at Point Marina, and I got a feeling my guy's not going to bring it in hot. We're probably definitely going to come in at a slower pace, but control could be the issue here. We do have a fairly strong current today, moving left to right across the screen, so really he's got to time this right. All I would do if I was him was just start paddling toward the docks and let the current just keep dragging me down. Let's just land on the third or fourth dock down and see what happens. I mean, paddling with the current, if he can keep the stern into the current, actually he's going to get a little more push. So I would actually try and turn this bow facing downstream a little bit as well. But our guy's going to go for the straight-on approach method, and that's going to give him his toughest battle here. This is where you gotta miss the jet skis down here at Black Point. If we were at Boynton or 79th, one of the skis probably already would have grabbed him and pulled him in. I guess the other option here would be the anchor method as well, where you just take your front anchor and toss it off the bow and pull yourself in. I think you might get further with that as well. Or maybe even just jump in the water and start kicking at this point. But we've got somebody behind the helm, so I guess they're trying to steer, but man, now he's going back against the current. This is going to be even tougher. And this is the point where I wish we had a sponsorship with one of the tow companies, because this would be the perfect commercial for that. I mean, literally going straight into the current. Bro, you've got to just get this toward the dock. He's got to be exhausted already. I don't know how far he's been paddling for. I didn't see exactly where he started coming up the channel, but I mean, when he was coming down the channel, at least he had the wind and current at his back. So that was helping move him, and now he's trying to battle the current head on. And I'm just confused why we're even trying that. Unless I'm missing something, let me know. It's not impossible. I mean, I miss stuff all the time, and you guys gladly let me know in the comments. I mean, let me know here. And there we go. He starts to turn it sideways. The boat starts to move a little bit now. And my man's coming up. Is he going to be able to reach? Yes, we're on the dock. Kind of. Nobody's off the boat yet. So here we go. Our guy makes his way off. And now trying to determine what he's going to do with the boat. But this is where the fun really begins, trying to determine where we're going to put the boat and the fun of trying to load a vessel that's not running on the trailer. So our crew is trying to get the thing out of here, but they've been stuck on the ramp for a few minutes now and just spinning tires. So we started the motor up. It looks like we're going for the power load, but I got to love my man's approach here. If you look by the front driver's side tire, you're going to see just a block that he was using to make sure his truck didn't fall back down the ramp. Pretty slick move. He's just leaving it there hanging out the window in case he needs to drop it again. Oh, and he's going to get blocked. So they were starting to make progress. The engine's out of the water now, and they're getting blocked by somebody coming the wrong way across the ramp. And I'm guessing security's coming to tell him the same thing, like, bro, you need to go the other way. And a little manatee action today. We've got both of them. They're out here having a little fun. Actually pretty incredible the amount of times I've got footage of these guys literally swimming right up to us, just sitting here, where you can just see them right in front of us. Like, literally, you could stick your hand out and touch them. We don't, but you could. But this is why you got to be careful when you're coming through here at Black Point as well, guys. If you're ever approaching the dock here, keep an eye out for these things. We've got plenty of wildlife in the water hanging around. And our crew just hanging out. My guy's got his dog just straight chilling. I mean, some of us get the option to come down here and hang out at Black Point, and others, it looks like we're just forced to come hang out at Black Point. Let's see how this pullout goes. The boat's actually broken down, so they had to manually pull it on, and sometimes that can lead to people struggling getting off the ramp. And especially since my man backed into the water, I got a feeling it's not going to be an easy pullout. Maybe I'm wrong. Nope, those are tires spinning. Just doesn't have enough weight far enough forward, and he got those tires wet, and now he's going to struggle to get off of here. There we go. Just floors it. Gonna manhandle his way right off the ramp. Our crew coming in on approach, and Wifey doesn't look impressed for some reason. Cap's got a good angle, coming in. Very nice speed. But Wifey's not getting on the line. She's not doing anything here. I can kind of tell what's coming. Cap's going to have to do it all. Wifey's like, yeah, this is not my deal. Arms crossed, completely closed down. Cap's got to get it done. But he'll get it done, and they'll get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.